Just pop in a quick prompt and whip up AI video clips in no time, all for an awesome one-time price. Meet VideoExpressAI, the ultimate AI video creation tool that's changing the game for content creators. Just toss in your text prompts or images, and let the cutting-edge tech whip up amazing videos in no time. Whether you're looking to turn photos into talking stories or make fun singing videos, VideoExpressAI makes it a breeze. VideoExpress isn't just about AI videos, it's so much more. You get all the latest AI tools right at your fingertips, all in one easy-to-use dashboard. AI prompt to video. Instantly turn your ideas into eye-catching AI videos. AI image to video. Easily convert still images into lively video clips. Photo to AI talking and singing videos. See your photos come alive, chatting and singing with perfect lip sync in any language. AI video and painting. Change any static part of a video with just a prompt. AI video motion brush. Bring movement and animation to any section of your video. AI video prompt writer. Out of ideas? Let AI spark some creativity for you. Timeline video editor. Effortlessly combine AI video clips into longer videos using the built-in editor. Subtitles and captions. Quickly add eye-catching subtitles in various styles to your videos. AI text-to-speech. Pick from hundreds of voices to give life to your videos. Screen and voice recorder. Blend your own content and voice seamlessly into AI videos. Animations and text effects. Add some pizzazz with transitions, text effects, and animations easily. AI prompt to sound effects. Transform text into engaging sounds using a simple AI tool. Videos in all dimensions. Create videos in any format with the built-in VideoExpress timeline editor. AI face swap. Effortlessly insert yourself into AI-generated scenes, making you part of the action. Enhanced HD video creation. Make high-def videos directly without needing extra apps. No watermarks. Enjoy smooth viewing with clean, watermark-free vids. Cloud-based platform that works on all devices. No installs or updates needed. Commercial rights included so you can sell the awesome AI vids you create. All in one package for all things related to AI videos and editing. No monthly fees, just one flat rate payment without ongoing costs. Multilingual support lets you type prompts in any language for creating vids. Make AI videos in no time with just 3 simple steps. First, think about the kind of video you want. Next, jot down your idea or upload a picture. Finally, click Generate and watch as your AI video springs to life. You definitely don't want to miss out on this awesome tool. Sign up for VideoExpressAI today and start turning your ideas into reality. Just click the link below to snag VideoExpress at a one-time price. Hurry, it's a limited time offer.